Hello children, welcome to our English grammar class for 7th standard. Today we are going to learn about adjectives and its kinds. So let's start children with the definition of adjectives. Adjectives को हम हिंदी में विशेषण भी कहते हैं. जैसा कि नाम से ही स्पष्ट है, विशेषण विशेषता बताते हैं. तो एडजेक्टिव इज अ वर्ड दैट डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन. एंड एक एडजेक्टिव वो शब्द होता है जो किसी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताता है. लाइक हियर आई हैव एन एग्जाम्पल. जेन इज़ अ क्लेवर गर्ल. जेन एक चालाक लड़की है. नाउ क्लेवर इज एन एडजेक्टिव एंड इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग जेन. जेन इज अ क्लेवर गर्ल. Now children, let us look at the types of adjectives. Basically we have 5 types of adjective. Number 1 is adjective of quality. Second is adjectives of quantity. Third is adjectives of number. Fourth is interrogative adjectives. Fifth is demonstrative adjective. We will learn about the definition and example of each kind of adjective one by one. Let us look at the first type of adjective, that is adjective of quality, and it is also known as qualitative or descriptive adjective. Now what is a descriptive adjective? If an adjective describes the quality of a person, अगर कोई एडजेक्टिव किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के गुणों की चर्चा कर रहा है तो उसे हम क्वालिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट मे डिस्क्राइब इट्स साइज, इट्स आउटर फिजिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन, और इट्स एज, अबाउट इट्स शेप और इट्स कलर, अबाउट द मटेरियल ऑफ द थिंग और द ओरिजिन एंड द पर्पस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टॉल, एक्सीलेंट, स्लिम, young, square and plastic. Now children, let's have a look at these examples. First one is, the tall girl is my classmate. लंबी लड़की मेरी classmate है. Now what is the quality of the girl? The quality of the girl is that she is tall. The second example is, the students achieved excellent results. विद्यार्थियों ने excellent results achieve किए. Now what kind of results have they achieved? They have achieved excellent results. Is it clear children? Now moving on to the second kind of adjective, we have the second kind of adjective as quantitative adjective. Now children, what are quantitative adjectives? Quantitative adjectives describe the number or amount of thing. वो किसी वस्तु की संख्या या उसकी मात्रा को इंडिकेट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सम, मच, लिटिल, इनफ, all, no, any, whole or several. Basically they answer to the question how much or how many. How many we use for countable things and how much for uncountable things. For example, looking into these sentences, we have the first sentence as, she found many pens under the table. Now how many pens she had found under the table? She had found many pens under the table. Now look at the second sentence. There was no milk in the jug. Now how much milk they are describing? There was no milk in the jug. Clear students? Now let's move to the third kind of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, as the name is clear, they point out the nouns. For example, we have only 4 demonstrative adjectives, that is this, that, these and those. I have already told you this and that is used for singular objects and these and those are used for plural objects. This is used for singular object that is closer to us, and that is used for singular object that is far from us. These is used for plural objects that are closer to us, and those is used for plural objects that are far from us. For example, this is my friend Dina and those books belong to her. Is it clear students? Now moving on to the fourth kind of adjective, that is fourth kind of adjective is interrogative adjectives. And as the name is clear, interrogative adjectives are used to interrogate or to ask questions. Interrogative adjectives questions put up करने के लिए use होते हैं. For example, what, whose, where, how and which. Like whose pen is this? ये किसकी पेन है? तो whose पेन, whose जो है वो इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव हो गया. Now children, let us look at the fifth kind of adjective, that is possessive adjective. What are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives are used to show possession. For example, my, your, his, her, our, their and its. Like this is her hat. ये hat किसकी है? Whom does this hat belong to? This hat belongs to her. That is, her is a possessive adjective. Their parents came to my house yesterday. Whose parents came to my house? Their parents. So there is a possessive adjective. Here I have one more example of possessive adjective. Let's see children. I am hers and he is mine. The boy says I am hers. मैं उसका हूँ. So hers is a possessive adjective and the girl says he is mine. वो मेरा है. Mine here shows the possession of girl. So mine is a possessive adjective. Now moving on to the sixth kind of adjective, we have sixth kind of adjective as distributive adjective. Now children, distributive adjective क्या होता है? Words like each, every, either and neither are distributive adjectives and they are normally used with singular nouns. जब हम किसी ग्रुप के मेंबर्स को एक एक करके बात कर रहे हैं, एक समय पर एक की ही बात करते हैं, तो इसे हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. जैसे एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. ईच पार्टिसिपेंट वाज आस्क्ड टू कंप्लीट अ सर्वे. नाउ अब इस सेंटेंस में पार्टिसिपेंट्स तो ढेर सारे हैं, लेकिन एक समय पर हम एक एक पार्टिसिपेंट को कह रहे हैं सर्वे को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, तो ईच हियर इज़ अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. Like either of these movies would be interesting to me. Children, let me tell you one thing. Either and neither are the distributive adjectives that are used with two objects. When we talk about two objects one at a time, we use the distributive adjectives either and neither. Either here shows that there are two movies and any of the two movies would be interesting to me. मैं दोनों में से कोई भी मूवी मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग होगी. Is it clear children? Now moving on to the seventh kind of adjective, we have one special kind of adjective as compound adjectives. Now compound adjectives are made up of two or more words. जब हम दो शब्दों को मिलाकर adjectives बनाते हैं तो उसे compound adjectives कहते हैं and they are often linked together with hyphens to link the words together to show that it is one adjective. तो वो एक ही वर्ड होता है, वो दो अलग अलग एडजेक्टिव नहीं होते, हम उसे हाइफन ऐड करके यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल्स लाइट वेट, ड्यूटी फ्री, 4 फुट, पार्ट टाइम, कोल्ड ब्लडेड एंड वेल बिहेव्ड एक्सेट्रा. लाइक वी हैव टू बी ओपन माइंडेड अबाउट थिंग्स. तो हियर द वर्ड ओपन माइंडेड इज मेड अप ऑफ two words and it is added with a hyphen and it indicates a single adjective. Let us look at the second example. The lady is wearing a pair of high-heeled shoes. Now high-heeled is a compound adjective. It is made up of two words, high and heeled, and it is added with a hyphen. Now children, I hope you are clear with the definition of adjective and all its kind. I am ending up here with an exercise on adjective. In our next video, we will learn about the degrees of comparison of adjectives and ordering of adjectives and the formation of adjectives. Thank you and bye-bye.